Hello, my name is Gabriel from GabakUSA. In this video, I'm going to show you different adapters. So if you have maybe a workstation, in this case I have a HP workstation C600, but it doesn't matter. You can have maybe another server, another computer, or whatever. So if you don't know what kind of adapters you have to buy, I'm going to show you different kinds and different brands so you can decide. Because when you have maybe a workstation like this, is one kind of adapter. If you have a server, it's another kind of adapter. If you have a regular computer, it's another adapter. Or maybe you can use the same thing. But the idea is that I'm going to show you the different adapters so that way you know what to buy. If you need something like that, I'm going to try to leave the links of these devices on the video description so you can buy the model that you like. So let's start. So in this case, I'm going to change my camera. So as you can see, here I have a server. It's not a server, it's a workstation. So in this case, I have this kind of hard drive. So if you have this kind of caddies, I'm going to remove this. So you can see I have a regular 3.5 inches mechanical drive. And here I have a solid drive. So that is the difference, and if you think about this, these are the options. One, if you don't have an adapter and you need to install the operating system, you will have to plug it in the way I'm going to try to do it right now. Yep. So, and it will be like that. I don't recommend to do that, of course. Otherwise, with the movement or vibration or whatever, it will damage the connector and it will not last very long time over there. So that is the idea. So if you have to install it, you don't have it, you can do that. But as you can see, the connector is very is on this very end. So it is not in the middle, and now I'm going to tell you why. Because here, as you can see, this adapter, just the hard drive is in the middle. So like most of these adapters, here I have another one. So here I have a Sabrent. I like the brand is very good. In this case, this adapter is for 2 hard drives. So as you can see, we can install. I'm going to grab one of the drives that I have here. Here it is. Okay, so you can grab it. You can install it like that. If you want to grab it from the bottom, you can do it. Yep, I guess. Yeah, you can do it from the bottom. It will be better on the sides. The holes fits just better like that. Otherwise, you will have to choose one end or the other. So that is the thing. If you use something like that, you will think, well, this is, it's very cheap. It costs maybe $5 or something like that. You are going to install it, and you are going to realize that you can't. As you can see, the other one is to this very end. So it's not in the middle, so it will not fit, so it will not work. So that is why I'm showing you these kind of things. This adapter is very good. It comes with the screws and everything. Okay, here we have the plastic. I'm going to leave it on one side. And here I have another kind of adapter. I took it out of the box already. So this is the same thing, all together in the middle. Here is what you're going to get, the cables. I like the cables. I like here the net is around the cable, so that is very good. And you connect one Molex, and then you have to say that, so you can connect 2 hard drives in this side as well. So like I said before, these kind of hard drives or solid state drive SSD are very thin, so you can put one next to the other one on top of the other one, and it will fit just fine. So for a regular computer, for a desktop computer, this will be great. And I'm going to show you the other kind. The other kind is the one I just showed you before. So this is the kind. The difference basically is it comes with the electronic here with this connector. So as you can see, this connector is in the very end, as you can see here, so it will fit just fine. You plug it in here, and that's it, and it just works. So here I have the other adapter. So you can see it comes in this kind of ugly box, but I mean, it doesn't matter. I mean, it works, and that is the most important thing. It comes with the tiny screws as usual, so you can connect it, because you have to connect it here, and then of course you have to use the screws on the side, and that's it. So that way it will fit just fine. I mean, don't leave it like that. I mean, don't drop it like that. You will have to use the caddy, otherwise it will not fit. So this is very easy. You don't need to have any screws. So in this case, I have this kind of drive, but if you have to install it, I'm going to remove it from here. So or if you have to install it, it's very easy. Just pop it on one side. Here you do the same thing here. You don't need any screw or anything like that. I'm going to leave this on one side, and there you go. You do the same thing here, and then you remove it all the way. There you go. So that is how you use it. You use it here. I'm going to zoom in so you can see it better. There you go. This is the connector, just in case. So that is how it works. You cannot use any cable like in a regular computer. So that is why you have to use this kind of special adapter. So I hope it was useful, and if you didn't know this kind of adapter, leave me a comment in the section below. And like always, remember, go to the playlist if you want to see my other videos about how to become a computer technician, or my other classes or lessons. And I hope you have enjoyed enough. So subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.